A boxer trains hard with his coach. He aims to win the championship. Chow Graham dreams of being an artist, but works at a convenience store. Chow Black forces him to chase his dream. He enrolls in art school. Chow Graham starts creating art. His auctions are very popular. Years later, Chow Graham becomes rich. He thanks Chow Black for pushing him. Chow Black demands all the money. A plane suddenly drops. The pilot is unconscious. A doctor says he's dead. The flight attendant asks for another pilot. A priest volunteers to land the plane. He flies it towards heaven. A news report says an asteroid is coming. People build a giant trampoline. They plan to save Earth. Humanity swaps places with a satellite. The environment is terrible.